Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends update stuck. All right, let's begin. First, right click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Once it opens, look for Riot or related processes. Right click each process and select End Task to close them completely. Next, open the Start menu, search for Riot Client, and run it as administrator. Log in using your account credentials and open League of Legends, then try updating again. If the issue continues, click on your profile icon and open Settings. Navigate to the League of Legends section and locate the Auto Update option. Uncheck Auto Update, then click on Repair to fix any corrupted files. Select Start Repair and wait for the process to complete fully. Once the repair is finished, reopen League of Legends and click update again. So that's basically how you can fix League of Legends update stuck. That's it for this video. Thanks.